Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance server and workstation memory with the ATEC 64GB Kit DDR5 4800MHz RAM. This powerhouse upgrade is not your average desktop or laptop RAM. It's designed specifically for select DDR5 server and workstation systems. With a blazing speed of up to 4800 MHz, this memory kit promises to take your computing experience to the next level. Let's talk specs. This kit includes two 32GB modules, totaling a massive 64GB of DDR5 goodness. Sporting a 288-pin DIMM form factor, it's compatible with systems utilizing AMD EPYC 4th Gen or Intel Xeon Scalable 4th Gen processors. The ECC-registered RAM feature ensures reliability and stability, crucial for mission-critical tasks. Installation is a breeze for those familiar with server and workstation setups. Just make sure to consult your system's manual for memory seating and channel guidelines. Remember, this memory is ECC registered and cannot be mixed with different ECC types. But what about performance? In our tests, the ATEC DDR5 4800MHz RAM delivered lightning-fast speeds and snappy responsiveness, perfect for multitasking, virtualization, and demanding workloads. Whether you're crunching numbers, running simulations, or powering virtual machines, this RAM kit won't disappoint. Quality is paramount, and ATEC doesn't cut corners. Each memory module undergoes stringent quality control testing to ensure dependable and reliable performance. Plus, with ATEC's limited lifetime warranty and expert tech team support, you can rest assured knowing your investment is protected. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best server and workstation memory upgrade, look no further than the ATEC 64GB DDR5 4800MHz RAM. It's the ultimate choice for professionals who demand uncompromising performance and reliability. Upgrade your system today and experience the power of DDR5 technology firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.